Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture. Today topic is mean median mode under the continuous series with inclusive method problems. Here they have given class interval 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100, 101 to 110, 111 to 120. Frequency they are given 5, 15, 20, 30, 28. In this problem, class intervals, it is in an inclusive series, method. That's we have to convert into the exclusive. How we can convert to the exclusive? There is a one simple formula, a mantra, very simple. We have to subtract the 0.5 to the lower limit of the class interval. 61 is the lower limit of the class interval. We have to deduct zero point 0.5 or subtract zero point 0.5 in lower limit of the class interval. If you deduct 61 minus 0.5, it becomes a 60.5. Next one is add same 0.5 to the upper limit of the class interval. Means this is the upper limit of the class interval. If you add 0.5, that become 70.5 from 70. So the remaining is as followed. As same it is, you can do it again. I will show one more. 71, 80. 71, if you subtract 0.5 in 71, that become 70.5. Okay, then if you add 0.5 for 80, that become 80.5, which is here 80.5. The remaining is same as it is. After that, you can take it as it is, the frequency 5, 15, so on, so on. So then once you convert to the exclusive from inclusive, then we have to find out the mid value or midpoint or x value. How to find out the x value? X value, this is very simple. There is a 60.5 plus 70.5 divided by 2, that becomes 60.55. This is 65.5. This is the x value. Again, the remaining is as same followed by that. Then what is the mean formula? First and foremost, before I'll make one suggestion for the dear students, before solving any problem, the first and foremost you have to understand and write the formula, because the formula will help you to help you to help you to understand and show the path what you want to find out. That's why you write the formula. Formula is x bar is equal, mean formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Of course we want fx, so f value they are given. Already we found x value. Okay, both if you multiply f into x, 5 into 60.55, that become 327.5. Remaining is as it is. So then fx value we got it, fx is equal to 9029. Then f value, total f is nothing but n value is equal to 98. The formula of mean x bar is not there here, x bar is equal to fx divided by n. X bar is equal to fx is 9029 divided by n. N is 98, that value is 92.13. This is the answer, this is the mean. Okay, I'll write it here, this is the mean, 92.13. Okay, let us move to the median. Before solving the median formula, we have to understand what is the median formula. Median formula, n by 2th term, right? Then median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, divided by F is nothing but a frequency, into I is nothing but a differences between class interval or model class. Okay, median formula, already we know that n by 2, what is the n value? 98. 2, 98 divided by 2th term, I mean 49th term. Look at here, 49th term. In we want cumulative frequency, that's why in the median, before solving the median problem, we have to find the cumulative frequency. The frequency is 5. Okay, then we have to add that another next frequency 15, then become 20, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus the 30 70, 70 plus 20 90, 90 plus 8 98, right? Once you found this one, just we can see it median formula n by 2, that is the 49th term. Where it is 49th, after the 49th, where it is after the 49th, any 50 51, no, there is 70. Okay, we have to select this one, right? So if you select this one, okay, then 90.5 is the lower limit of the value according to the formula, right? then frequency is 30, and CF, that CF you have to take it in the preceding CF value, that is what, 40. Okay, that we have taken according to the formula. The formula is here. M is median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. M median is equal to 90.5, that is the lower limit of the value which already I show you right here, 90.5. And I will tell you now here only. Then CF we come in N by 2, already we know N by 2 value 98 divided by 2 is the 49, minus CF value, here CF value I told you the previous one you can take it 40. Okay, I have taken the 40, fine. Then divided by F frequency value 30 is there, you can take it 30 into 10, 90.5 as it is, you can take it, plus 49 minus 40, that is 9, you can take it as it is, 30 into 10, you can take 90.5 plus 9 divided by 30 point, that becomes 0.3 into 10. Then median is equal to 90 plus 90.5 plus 3, median is equal to 93.5, almost it is a 94. This is the median. Let us move to the next one, mode. Mode formula, model class is equal to maximum frequency, maximum number of the frequency. In this, what is the maximum number of the frequency? See, the maximum number of the frequency is here. See, look at here, 5, 15, 20, 30, 28. Which one is maximum frequency? 5 now, 15 now. Which one is 30 is the maximum frequency. So we can select this one. Okay, then this 90 point, before that formula is median mode is denoted by Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F naught, F1 minus F naught divided by 2 F1 minus F naught minus F2 into I. Here F1 is frequency of the model class. This is what F1, 30, what we can, that is a frequency of model class. Then F naught, I mean you can take it F naught, this 20, I mean F naught is nothing but preceding the frequency of model class. Then F2, this is 20, this is the succeeding the frequency of model class, that we have to take it this one guy. Okay, after this one, once we found this, just we'll go for the formula. Mode formula already I told you. Maximum frequency we have selected, right? That area also selected. L means lower value of the class interval, which is there here, already I shown, but once again I am going to show it here, 90.5, because this area I have selected, no, because this is a maximum frequency area, that's why 90.5. Here only I am showing you, this is 30 is the F1. Okay, this 20 is the F naught, then this 20 again, this one more 20 is, I mean succeeding the frequency of model class, that is F2. Okay, that we can take it here according to the formula. Yes, here 90.5 lower limit of the class interval model class, F1 value 30, F naught value is 20 divided by 2 into F1 value is 30, F naught value is 20, then F naught F2 value also 20, then into 10. 10 is class interval, differences of the, I mean class interval. Then 90.5 you can take it as it is, plus 30 minus 20, 10. Okay, divided by 2 into 30 it become a 60, then 20 20 as it is, you can take it into 10. Next, 90.5 is equal to 10, we will take it 90.5 plus 10 divided by, okay, 10 as it is, you can take it 60 minus 20, that become a 40, sorry, 40, 60 minus 20, 40, 40 minus 20, then 20, 20 you can take it into 10, then 90.5 plus 10 divided by 2, I mean 0.5 into 10 as it is, you can take it, then 90.5 plus 0.5 into 10, okay, zero point 0.5, then the total answer is 95, 95.5, almost 96. This is what mode is denoted by Z, right? This is the answer for mode. Now what we found before concluding this problem, okay, first and foremost we have to understand what we want to find out. We have to find out the mean, median, mode, and you can check it in the class interval whether it is properly arranged or not. If they are not arranged, then we have to convert into exclusive into the inclusive. Of course they have given here inclusive, then we can convert it into the exclusive. After that we have to go for the, I mean we can understand what I want to find out, right? We want to find out mean, median, mode under the continuous series. What is the continuous series formula, that we have to what is the formula of mean, median, mode under the continuous series, that we have to calculate according to the formula wise, then you will get the answer. This is the 14 marks questions. Dear students, please concentrate on this one. Definitely it's a 14 marks question will appear in your final examination. Thank you very much.